So the Easy Pull clutch lever composed of 3 individual components. You have the lever itself, which we offer in 2 sizes. We have the 5-inch, which is a 2-finger lever, and then we also have a 1-inch, which is a 1-finger lever. The majority of times, people with mini bikes like a Grom or C125 will go with the 1. Bigger bikes will go with a 2-finger because it'll interfere with the rear handbrake setup if you have it. Next part is going to be the perch, right? This is where the bearings and all the hardware go into, and then you have your clamp, so you can move it from bar to bar. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up these bearings. Now these are needle nose bearings, very, very expensive. This is what allows it to be easy to know, easy pull resistance.
Inside.
Yeah, check this out. We have these. First thing we're going to do is we're going to press it into the actual bearing. So we'll have it here, and we'll get it pressed. Now it's centered. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get some shims. So our company never allows aluminum to aluminum contact. Other companies will literally just put it like this, and you'll have all this play once it's been installed. We have these shims, so I'm going to grab 2 of these shims, and I'm going to put it on the top, and I'm going to put it on the bottom. Then I'm going to put the perch over it.
What material is it?
These shims are just bronze. So you saw right now how I put that one back in and I got a smaller one. So since they are anodized, sometimes anodizing has different tolerances. So I want to make sure that the tolerances are perfect so there's no slop. So I'm going to mess around here until I get the perfect one. And that seems good enough. I'm going to get a shoulder bolt. These shoulder bolts are made in-house. Only we have these. We can't order these from anywhere. We're going to put it straight through.
You know, we're over here building original Jamaica bike life impact thing. You know what I'm saying? From the man himself.
Then on the back side, we're gonna put one of these Nylock nuts. Once this Nylock nut is in there, you never have to remove it. It's gonna stay in there forever. A lot of times people think that they can swap colors. So like, let's say you have a blue lever, and I have a green lever, and I'm like, hey, give me your blue lever. These shims might not fit because each color anodizing is gonna be different. We have sizes from 0.115 all the way to 0.32, which
That's a really big note that you just
made. So once you get your lever, don't be exchanging colors with your homies because the shims might not fit and then they're gonna be loose. So we'll have it in there.
Look at that.
Perfect play. Now we're gonna grab another 2 nuts. We're gonna put them on these clamps. These clamps have perfect CNC notches for our Nylock nuts. Snap right in play.
One of these?
Probably like a year ago.
See that?
It's been a while.
From the heart, baby.
It's been a while. When I first hopped onto Impact Tech, I learned how to do everything. Because as a VP of sales and marketing, I need to know everything, right? So I know how to do everything.
Everybody takes the same approach, but you should.
I know how to weld, I know how to operate the machines, I know how to build everything in here. It was pretty frustrating in the beginning, but definitely worked out.
And always.
You'll have these Nylock nuts up here. Again, all this hardware is made in the US. We don't outsource anything from China. So now we have the lever, and the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this clutch adjuster cable with one of our clutch adjuster bolts. See how everything CNC, super high quality. We'll put this in here. Now this is gonna allow you to adjust the actual clutch. And then you just thread it onto the back side of this. And you're done. That's gonna be an Impact Tech lever. So feel that, feel how there's no play on that. Feel how perfect that is.
Some might talk, but you know, the product speaks for itself, son. I'm all about the pinky squeeze. If you can't pinky squeeze it, don't go. Impact Tech.